welcome back to my channel. I apologize about the echo, I'm in my kitchen. Today, I'm actually gonna attempt a Pinterest recipe. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel like these past 2 years, I've gotten better at cooking. Like, I gotta pat myself on the back, because I think I'm pretty good. But I don't really do too many desserts, like I just cook regular food. So, I'm gonna attempt a dessert today, and since it's fall, it's like a fall-themed dessert. It's actually my favorite, it's cheesecake. It's called Caramel Apple Crisp Cheesecake Bars. Why does crisp sound so weird? I can't even say crisp. Crisp. I'm not gonna promise anything. Hopefully it turns out good, but you guys are along for the ride. If I butcher it and it just ends up a disaster and it's gross, then that's gonna suck because my hopes are high right now. This is actually my second time making a video here in my kitchen. I made cupcakes for Levi's birthday. I actually did it on my other channel, my horse channel, so I will leave that video in the channel link down below if you guys are interested. I actually cleaned my kitchen for this, you guys. All day today I was cleaning this kitchen. If you are excited about this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, I've been talking forever, so let's just get into this. Okay, it says step 1, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Bake 350. So now I'm gonna go over the ingredients. There's quite a long list of ingredients. I need to grab all this stuff first. Okay, I have all my ingredients right here. You're gonna need graham cracker crumbs. Like I just bought regular graham crackers and I'm gonna make them into crumbs. White sugar, brown sugar, ginger, vanilla extract, coconut oil, cinnamon, flour, butter, 2 packets of cream cheese, 2 medium to large apples, cornstarch, caramel drizzle. Like this is just a caramel syrup I got at Walmart. Oh, and rolled oats, but these aren't rolled, so that might be a problem. You just slide this out of the way. Prepare 1 9 by 13 inch glass pan by greasing it thoroughly with butter or cooking spray. Alright! That was noisy. I think this is a 9 by 13 inch pan. So I have cooking spray, so I'm going to use cooking spray instead of butter. Hopefully that wasn't too much. First, I need to melt butter. How many sticks is half a cup? Maybe 1 stick? I never buy butter like this. I always have like a little tub. And actually lately I've been trying vegan butter. I wonder if people actually use this for things besides baking, because this is so hard and stiff. Like how could you spread this on something? Hopefully it's easy to melt. I don't know how long. Okay, so just for future references, if you ever need to do this again, 1 stick of butter is half a cup. Okay, now I have to crush some graham crackers. I'm not prepared, you guys. I should have had this all crushed and stuff and like melted and everything ready. You know how they have it in the cooking shows? They just go boom, 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 boom. But I didn't think to do that, so. You know what? It's probably easier to put it in a Ziploc bag and smash it, but I don't have a Ziploc bag. What if I do this? Make my own bag? I'm gonna make a mess, aren't I? Okay, kind of made my own bag. Oh, I made a mess. Never mind. That's not gonna work. I have my apples in a bag. Maybe I can just use the bag. How crumbled do they have to be? Like dust? Or can they have like chunks in it too? I don't even know. Oh my god, I broke the bag again. Okay, they for sure sell graham crackers already crumbled, right? I doubt people do this, right? Or do they do this? Maybe it's easier with Ziploc bags? Ooh, I'm gonna use this glass. That does it way faster. Alright guys, I think that's good enough. This is what it's looking like. You know what? I think I'm gonna put my hair up. So we're gonna combine half a cup of melted butter, 3/4 cup of rolled oats, some melted butter, rolled oats. Why does that sound so weird? A cup of graham cracker crumbs. And now what else? A 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I should tell you guys ahead of time, I make a mess every single time I cook, so don't mind the mess. So far I have the rolled oats, graham cracker crumbs, butter, and sugar. Now I'm gonna mix this together. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it through the camera. Okay, so now I have to press this inside the pan. Alright, that's done. Now it says to bake for 5 minutes. Alright, so now we're gonna mix together the cream cheese part. Sorry, not the cream cheese part, the cheesecake part. Hold on, my thing's ready. Okay, so now it says to let it cool, and then in the meantime, we're gonna work on the cheesecake part, which I'm excited about. It's my favorite part. So we're gonna mix the 2 8-ounce packets of cream cheese. I left it out for a little while because it's supposed to be like softened. Okay. What are you smelling? This is not for you. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Is this? Yeah, tablespoon. Where's my cornstarch?
1, 2.
1/4 cup of brown sugar. I always stick my tongue out when I concentrate. And a 1/4 cup of white sugar. Oh schnitz, that's too much. Can I pour this back? Okay.
Okay, 1/4 cup of white sugar.
1/2 teaspoon of ginger. Do I have one? Okay, I don't think I have 1/2 teaspoon, but I have a teaspoon, so I'm gonna try and eyeball it. I think that's 1/2 teaspoon.
Right? Okay, I think that's good.
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Every time I try to use vanilla extract, I always spill it. Okay.
1, 2.
I feel like this is like a potion or something. And then 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. It smells like fall. Okay, I think that's half. So now I have to mix this. I'm gonna go over there because that's where my outlet is. Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna bring my little stand that I made here. Alright, you guys. I don't know if you can see, but it says pour into the pan, but this does not look pourable. Like, I don't know if I did something wrong. I'm just gonna scoop it and place it, I guess, because it's like thick. I did all the steps. Let me just close this stuff before I spill something. Oh my god, I just grabbed that. I forgot that it just came out of the oven. Alright guys, so the first thing we did was the base, right? With the rolled oats and the graham cracker crumbs. That's already baked. I put it in for 5 minutes, that's what it said. And then I have to let it cool. Wait, do I pour it now or does it have to be cool before I pour this? I think it's fine. I'm just gonna pour it on top. I don't have my little spatula thing, so I'm just gonna use this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. Oh wow.
It's like moving the base.
Guys, what the heck? I literally did everything it said. Okay, this is not working. Guys, literally, it's lifting up the crust. Alright you guys, this was a complete fail. I don't know where I went wrong. This is not working out, okay? Every time I try to spread the cream cheese part, it does not spread, it just lifts up the whole crust. So I don't know if that's because I put too much nonstick spray on the pan. I don't know if that's because I used regular oats instead of rolled oats. It says pour the filling onto the crust. It's too thick to pour, so I'm thinking maybe it was this mixture. But guys, it did not work out. So I just kind of plopped it there and it mixed with the crust. Like there's pieces of graham crackers in the cream cheese. It's just a mess. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna bake it and see what happens. Hopefully it still tastes the same. But let me just show you because my vlog camera died, so I'm gonna bring you closer and show you the disaster that I have on here. Yep, that does not look like cheesecake. I'm just gonna move on. Now I'm gonna start on the apple crisp part. I got my cutting board. I'm gonna chop some apples. Now I have to slice this into thin slices. Oh, it has to be peeled. Okay. What? Do I have like the worst peeler? Okay, you know what? It's not like the cheesecake is any good, so I'm just gonna not peel it. Who cares, right? I don't care. I like apples with skin. Now I'm supposed to lay this on top of the cream cheese. Watch, something's gonna happen that I was supposed to peel it for a certain reason, but who cares? Okay, done. This apple's really good. Okay, now we're making the crisp topping. A 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, and now a 1/4 cup of rolled oats. I'm doing it anyway, but I think this is the problem. A 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I was like taking my time before and making sure I was getting the measurements right and stuff, but now I don't even care. I'm eyeballing it. 1/2 teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Do I need a hand mixer or do I mix it with my... Okay, you guys, something's up with this recipe. Things are not mixing well with each other and stuff. I don't know. You guys need to let me know if you make this at home and it actually comes out decent because I'm like struggling over here. Like I'm not trying to do this to be funny. Like I'm seriously so bummed out that it's not working out right now. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle this on top, I guess. Okay, that sort of looks like the picture, I guess. Okay, do I drizzle the caramel after the oven or before the oven? Okay, I guess not now. Let me show you guys before I put it in the oven. Ooh, can you see? And that has to cook for 40 to 50 minutes. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, the cheesecake is almost ready. I decided to go back to the recipe and look at the comments to see if I was the only one having issues with this recipe, like struggling, and it turns out I wasn't. Someone actually said the same happening to them. Cream cheese mixture would like pull the crust off. They put the cream cheese mix in the microwave to make it more like liquidy, and then they poured it on top. That's so smart. I should have done that. But hopefully it turned out okay. I guess you just have to wait until the cream cheese is like 100% room temperature, or put it in the microwave to make it like watery. Okay, now I'm gonna get it out of the oven. They say I'm supposed to wait 15 minutes for it to cool off, and then I have to leave it in the fridge overnight. But I really want to try it on camera, so I'm just gonna try it once it cools down a little bit. It looks good though. I think I'm gonna put a pizza in the oven because I'm hungry. How to make a box pizza. This is a stuffed crust buffalo style chicken pizza from Sam's Choice. Ooh. I know this is bad to admit, but I actually eat a lot of these frozen pizzas. I need to start eating healthier. Ooh. I almost burned myself. Alright you guys, I just finished my barbecue chicken pizza. What is it? Buffalo chicken pizza. It was really good. I definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Now I'm ready to taste my apple crisp cheesecake caramel thing. Let's see if it was a complete fail. I know it looks ugly and everything, but I'm hoping it at least tastes good. So let's see. It's not 100% cold. It's not hot now, it's just warm. Ooh. I'm gonna drizzle the caramel after I cut my piece. I'll grab my little dog treat tripod thing. The dogs get excited every time I grab it, but I'm sorry guys, it's just to hold my camera. Ooh, moment of truth. I don't know what piece to grab at the end. Ooh, okay, it doesn't look that bad, you guys. I'm gonna drizzle some caramel on it. Do you guys say caramel? Caramel. I say caramel, but caramel sounds cool too. I don't know what the right way is, or if both ways are the right way. Ooh, okay, now that looks pretty. That definitely looks like the Pinterest picture. Now let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Okay, you guys. Oh my god, wow, that's actually really good. Even with all the fails we had during this process, it actually tastes really good. Guys, I'm proud of myself. And next time I know to microwave the cheesecake mixture. Okay. This was not a fail. I needed some water. Alright guys, I think that is it for today's video. I am so happy with the way this turned out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I was honestly considering just giving up and just like forgetting about this video, stop recording, and just film something else. After that cheesecake mishap thing where it just pulled up the crust, I was like, this is a fail. So I might as well stop and forget about this video. But I'm like, you know what? Let me keep going because this is attempting a Pinterest recipe. So I never said I was actually gonna do good. So I'm like, you know what? Just keep going. But it actually turned out so good. So I will leave the recipe linked down and below in my description box if you guys want to check it out. Hopefully yours turns out better than mine, but still, this tastes really, really good. Alright guys, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully this got you into the fall mood. I tried to be as fall as I could be, you know, with green shirt and festive desserts. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!